was goals and excitement galore in the JPL first leg quarterfinal playoffs. 10 goals for the spectators to enjoy. And still, none of the 4 teams have an advantage. Portmore 3, Racing United 3, and Firehouse 2, Cavalier 2. And generally, the first of these 2-leg ties are the boring games, when teams are cagey and cautious, not taking any chances until the second leg. Well, all 4 teams apparently decided to surprise each other and go for the early advantage. Although the case can be made though, especially Portmore United, they should never give up a 3-goal advantage to draw 3-3. Same for Firehouse, having Cavalier on the ropes at 2-0 and let them back in for 2-2. Sets it up beautifully though for the second leg on Wednesday, when they will have it all to play for. One small bet though, one bet. We will not get 10 goals on Wednesday. Bet me.